Let me show you what this bad boy can do. Welcome back to Titanium Man Garage, and today we've got a new project. We're doing a little experimenting, kicking back, having a couple beers. Me and my buddy were putting our heads together, and we had a subscriber that was interested in finding out, can you take the old style circuit board from a 1996 Polaris Sportsman 500 and put, say, like a 99 or 2000 wiring harness on it, and can you wire it up? So we got this machine for like 300 bucks. It had major wiring issues. The cylinder was burnt up, so we ended up rebuilding the engine, and I'll show you guys what we ended up doing. Okay, so these 1996s have this old crappy circuit board that they like to corrode and rust and have wiring issues, and this thing had a lot of wiring issues, so drilled out the hop rivets and chucked that, and found a guy in Lamira parting out a Polaris Magnum 500, so we robbed the wiring off of that, rewired it. I think all I needed was the CDI, the rectifier, and the run stop kill switch, which doesn't work, so we gotta work on that. So that's gonna be video one. There's gonna be 3 parts to this video. This me and my buddy, we kind of put our heads together, trying a couple different things. So this is like, you know, a 95, a 96, and a 99 all in one machine. The next video will be on the mysterious airbox issue that a lot of people can't seem to fix. And we're going to go over that, and I'll show you how I cured that problem. Okay, so we stripped the old wiring off and put a new starter relay on. Ran the wiring for the 99 all the way up. Ran it to the CDI box and the rectifier, which actually gets mounted over here. And then everything else comes up. The only difference was the speedo is going to be different. Because we got electronics for the speedo, which is right here. That won't work, so we're gonna have to use the old style cable speedometer, because that's what goes down to the transmission. And ended up getting rid of the old throttle style on the 99s, the old ugly cable that came down, and upgraded with a 2001 throttle, and it's actually a lot better. The only other thing that's going to need to be redone on this is we're going to have to find a way to wire in the fan, because the wiring for that is completely different than this. So my trusty electronics guy Travis here will be doing that. And once I get this all cleaned up, I'll have to shoot another video, everything all tied up nice and how I got everything hooked up. And we'll go from there. Okay, so on the 96 style transmission, they don't have the plugs in to tell you whether you're in reverse or drive. So there's some wires here that are gonna be hanging off. I'm probably gonna omit those, tie them back off. That's be another difference. So the radiator fan and the transmission, I don't have to worry about that, because on the old style 96, there was a wire that came up and went to that circuit board. I deleted that, and it's just gonna shift in reverse and drive and low, and there won't be any indication lights, which I'm fine with. So we don't need to know that. Other than that, they'll fire this thing up for you so you guys can hear what it sounds. So we rebuilt the motor on this. The cylinder's bored out 20 over, new piston, new valves. Wiring's all hooked up correctly except for the fan we got to work on. I'm going to fire this bad boy up and show you how she sounds. Use the Bendix starter. Runs perfect. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. There'll probably be 2 more, and I'll show you what we ended up doing to piece this machine all together, to update it. And like always, till next time.